Alright guys, and welcome to our 6th writing prompt for today. Before I start this video, this writing is kind of difficult to work on interactively with you guys. If you haven't already, please share your Google Doc memoir writing that you've been working on, the one that has all of the lines on it that you've been adding your writing to. Just share it with me. I didn't make it an assignment, so you can't necessarily turn it in, but just make sure you share it so I can go through and read it and make comments on it. And it's going to be a live document for us both to work on. So just make sure you share it with me. Normally I have you turn it in, but that's not going to be an option for this assignment. But we're going to go ahead and get started and jump in with writing prompt number 6. Our 6th writing prompt for today is, tell which room of your house do you spend the most time other than sleeping? Why do you spend it there? What do you do there? So personally for me, a space in my house that I spend more time in now more than ever, is my guest room. My guest room / computer room / office type area is kind of where we keep all of our computers and our technology devices and paper and filing cabinets and all that kind of stuff. And in the past, I didn't spend that much time in here, but now since I'm working from home, I'm spending a lot of time in here. So just tell me about which room of your house you're spending the most time in. If you're spending more time outside, make sure you say that. Tell me what you're doing. Jumping over to the Google assignment. Oops, wrong one. There we go. Make sure after you're watching these videos, you write your draft, and then make sure you answer the brainstorming question. A lot of you guys are skipping this step right here. Make sure you comment on these posts and you answer these, and make sure you answer in complete sentences. So the brainstorming question is supposed to help you and your classmates come up with different ideas on how to add more into your writing, because again, remember, your writing prompt has to be 4 sentences. So the brainstorming question today is, if you could pick one place in the entire world to be quarantined at, where would it be and why? And can you create a space in your home to mimic it? So for example, if I wanted to be quarantined in Hawaii, is there a way I could create my computer room to look like Hawaii? Maybe it's an option, maybe it's not an option. It's just a thought that I'm throwing out there for you guys. But make sure you're answering those brainstorming questions, because it's going to help you guys with the writing process and give you more to write about. So that is it for writing prompt number 6. Make sure you share your document so I can see your process. Have fun and get to writing.